What's up? What's up? Welding's life, baby. What's up? We back at it with another one. I know y'all probably like, man, what the fuck is this guy doing, man? What is he doing, man? I don't know what the fuck. I feel like this right now, like y'all doing this. Okay. Anyway, I forgot what the fuck I was doing. Oh, y'all probably want to know what the hell is going on. You know, I got COVID. I'm sorry. I got COVID, man. I'm a human being, man.
Just like you, man. I'm human just like you. I know it. It's greatness. I know that.
I understand. I would feel the same way. But I got COVID, so whatever. So this Friday, I'm supposed to be posting a video because I'm supposed to post a video every freaking, kids, let me tell you something. Don't say you're going to do something, because when you say you're going to do it, other people are watching to see if you don't do it. But I'm going to do it because I said every Friday, I'm going to post a Welder's Life video. So it doesn't matter if I got COVID. It doesn't matter if it's my birthday, which is coming up. It doesn't matter. I'm posting a video every freaking Friday. It doesn't matter. Welder's Life. So, hold on. When you get older, you understand. It's like Control Alt Delete. Okay, it's like that. Sometimes you think you gotta sneeze, and then you
and then you just don't sneeze.
I don't know what that is. It didn't start till I turned 40. But anyway, Welder's Life. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see what we can do. We're gonna look at YouTube and judge them. I got a pimple. Oh well. Peace.
And what we're gonna do before we jump in is have a review of all three of these processes. Before we get started, let's talk about the common characteristics of each process, okay? So in welding, you have three basic elements. You have your heat source, your filler metal, and then your shielding gas or your flux. So let's talk about MIG welding. MIG welding, the filler metal is your electrode and it's on a spool of wire, and it is also a shielding gas process. So the advantages to this is it's going to be much easier to learn because you preset all of your parameters. It's going to be much cleaner because you don't have any kind of slag process, and you can hit a wide variety of metal thicknesses. So if you're in a garage, in your shop, that is a great process.
I ain't gonna lie. TIG weld #1 for me. That's my favorite process. Then comes stick welding. Then comes MIG welding. I don't know why, I just think MIG welding is just super easy, and I like a little bit of a
because
challenge.
it is a flux-based process, works awesome outside. Wind doesn't affect it as much, and it can also work on thicker metals really well. Another advantage of it is if your metal is dirty, if you're working on farm equipment or on a gate or even in your driveway, rust and debris don't affect it as much as the other processes. A few of the disadvantages of stick welding is you're going to have a lot of spatter, a lot of vapor, off-gassing, and fumes, so it's not something you want to do indoors too much. Another thing is, if you're working on automotive frame mounts, it's not the prettiest or cleanest weld. Usually when you're working on some sort of frame, you're either going to pick MIG or TIG. So some of the advantages of TIG welding is you're going to get the highest quality weld. It's also going to be aesthetically more pleasing. It's a pretty bead. And it also works great on thinner metals. But the only problem is it's very difficult to control because you're controlling all.
TIG welding is the best process, hands down.
Your leg is controlling your heat, your opposite hand is typically controlling your filler metal deposition rate, and then of course you have a non-consumable tungsten electrode that is creating your arc as you move through the bead. This is considerably slower process as well, so usually when you're working on TIG welding, you're going to be working on stuff like a frame for a motorcycle, automotive, sheet metal, something in that regard. We've highlighted the advantages of each welding process. Now we gotta talk about what you're gonna do. All of my students that come up to me that they're about to buy a welder, they ask me, which one should I get? Well, it really depends on what you're gonna be doing most. If you are outdoors working on farm equipment, you're typically gonna go with a stick welder, thick metal welding, dirtier material. If you're working on thin metals, HVAC, if you're doing frame outs, go with a TIG welding process. If you want a wider range and you're gonna be working indoors, MIG welding is probably what you're gonna want. Now let's get a little bit more specific about what metals you can use for each process. MIG will typically have the ability to weld steel, stainless steel, and aluminum alloys. Stick has the ability to weld on steel, stainless steel, and cast iron. Whereas TIG pretty much runs the gamut. You can weld on any metals that conduct electricity. Steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, brass, chromoly, and exotic metals such as magnesium and titanium. We hope you enjoyed this video and you got a lot out of it. We highly encourage you to move on and watch the rest of the videos in this series. We break down purchasing a welder based on your needs. If you're looking for more educational videos, go to arcacademy.com.
What's up? What's up? What's up? Welder's Life. What is going on? Welder's Life. What's going on with all my burners and my earners? Man, I just got off of the work site. Man, I'm feeling good. So you know what I'm about to do? Hold on, let me close this shit. Bloopers. So I just got off work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go pick up the kiddos, pick up the family, and I'm about to take them to the beach. Yes, I love to go to the beach, man. The beach is one of the most best places that you can go to get your relaxation. So what I'm finna do is I'm finna get dressed and I'm finna go to the store, get some snacks, and we going to the beach. So I'm gonna let y'all meet the fam. Welder's Life, you know, and we gonna keep it moving and grooving, baby. Oh yeah, we ain't playing no games. You know what I mean? So hold on. What's up? What's up? What's going on? Welder's Life. This is your boy. I just got off work, as you can see. I just got off work Saturday, April 15th. So what I'm finna do is I'm finna just chill today, man. I just wanna just chill and relax, man. Let my mind be free, man. So I'm finna go to the I'm about to go to the beach. I'm gonna pick up the fam. I got twin boys, man. Love them to death, Taylor and Aiden, man. I'm about to take them to the beach. We're gonna have a great, you know, with the beachfront view, baby. You know, so I'm gonna take y'all on a little trip today. Welder's Life. Please check out my ebook. My ebook is about becoming a welder. You know, it's all about the ins and the outs of the game. You know, all the different
Bloopers.
From TIG, stick to MIG and flux core. You know, it's a bunch of other processes, but those is the ones that usually everybody use. So I don't know, I feel like I'm coming down with something. I don't know, I feel like I'm getting a little sick, but that's okay, because we got to keep this ball rolling, baby, because Welder's Life, and y'all want to see videos consistently every fucking Friday. I'm dropping videos. I don't care if it's 12 o'clock at night. I'm dropping a video every single Friday for this whole year. I might even do a little winning thing where if I don't drop on a Friday, I gotta cash app somebody like $100 or $1,000. No, I'm thinking about doing something like that with my book. Like, you know, whoever, I should do like a raffle or something on TikTok. I could do something like a raffle on TikTok, and then pick the first pick, put like some hats in the name or something, and go live and pull a name, and whoever name I pull gets $100. But you gotta have Venmo or Cash App or something. Or I could do cryptocurrency. I can send a nigga, I don't know if I can say nigga on here, but whatever. I can send somebody $100 in Bitcoin or something like that. Let's do crypto. Put down in the comments if you want me to send it cash or you want me to send it through cryptocurrency, because I can send money through. Don't forget, shout out to the Garbage Well Kids, sponsored. You know what I'm saying? I love their product, man. Them dudes right there make some amazing TIG torches. Y'all coming with me today. So get your swim shorts. Weld is life. My hands is ashy. So what? Let's go. Hey.